In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a security key to your Google account. Setting up a security key is one of the best ways to protect your account, adding an extra layer of defense against unauthorized access. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture and select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you can control your settings. Next, go to the Security tab on the left-hand side. This section contains all the options related to protecting your account. Scroll down until you find Passkeys and Security Keys, then click on it. Here, you'll be able to manage and add new security keys. Now, click on Create a Passkey to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. At this point, you may be asked to verify your identity by entering your password again or confirming through your phone. After verification, you'll need to connect your security key. This could be a USB device that you plug into your computer or a wireless key that works through NFC or Bluetooth. Make sure your security key is ready before continuing. Once your device is detected, you'll be asked to name your security key. Choose a name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to add multiple keys. Finally, save your settings, and that's it. Your security key is now successfully added to your Google account. Adding a security key is a powerful step toward keeping your account safe, ensuring that only you can access it, even if someone else knows your password. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.